Today we are making air-fryer Turkish yogurt chicken with a fresh spring finish. This recipe serves 4 people and takes about 45 minutes from start to finish. Perfect for an easy Easter table with big flavor. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 1/2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into chunks. Choose thighs for juicy results in the air fryer. 1 cup of plain whole milk yogurt. This tenderizes and adds tang. 2 tablespoons of olive oil for richness and browning. 3 cloves of garlic, finely grated, for bold aroma. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for brightness. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste adds color and umami. 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika for that classic Turkish color. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin for warmth. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano for herbal edge. 1 teaspoon of sumac brings a lemony, Turkish sparkle. 1 teaspoon of salt to season everything. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for gentle heat. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley for a green finish. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill for a springtime aroma. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Trim any excess fat from the chicken thighs and cut them into even chunks, about 1 1/2 inches each. In a large bowl, whisk 1 cup of yogurt with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste until smooth. Add 3 grated garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of sumac, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk well to combine. Add the chicken chunks to the bowl and toss until every piece is thoroughly coated in the marinade. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes and up to 2 hours to marinate. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Let the excess marinade drip off each piece, then arrange the chicken in a single layer in the basket. Cook in batches if needed so the pieces are not crowded. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Flip the chicken pieces and continue air frying for 5 to 7 minutes more, until browned and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the cooked chicken to a plate and let it rest for 3 minutes. If you are cooking in batches, repeat with the remaining chicken. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of chopped dill. Sprinkle the parsley and dill over the rested chicken and serve immediately while it is juicy and warm. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this Easter-friendly Turkish chicken, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch our next recipe.